Days after India and People's Liberation Army, that is PLA troops, clashed at Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh, China has now issued a statement on its relations with India. Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi on Sunday said that China is ready to work with India through steady and sound growth of the relations, according to the Chinese Foreign Ministry website. We stand ready to work with India in the direction towards steady and sound growth of China-India relations. Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi was quoted as saying. He further added that both India and China have maintained communication through diplomatic channels and are committed to upholding stability in the border areas. China and India have maintained communication through diplomatic and military-to-military channels, both countries committed to upholding stability in the border areas, the minister further added. The development comes after India and China held the 17th commander-level talks on December 20th and agreed to maintain security and stability on ground in the western sector. After the December 9th clash between the troops of both the countries, the Ministry of External Affairs, that is MEA, in a statement said that India and China held the 17th round of Corps Commander-level meeting at the Chushul-Moldo border meeting point on the Chinese side on December 20th and agreed to maintain the security and stability on the ground in the western sector. The MEA further said in the statement that the two sides agreed to stay in close contact and maintain dialogue through military and diplomatic channels and work out a mutually acceptable resolution of the remaining issues at the earliest. On December 9th, Indian and Chinese troops clashed in the Tawang sector of Arunachal Pradesh, in which few personnel from both the sides suffered minor injuries, the Indian Army said in a statement. The clash near Yangtze along the LAC took place last Friday amid the over 30-month border standoff between the two sides in eastern Ladakh. Both the sides immediately disengaged from the area. As a follow-up to the incident, OWN commander in the area held a flag meeting with his counterpart to discuss the issue in accordance with the structured mechanisms to restore peace and tranquility, the government said. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh also made the statement post the clash and said that the Chinese troops tried to unilaterally change the status quo in the Yangtze area, but the Indian Army's firm and resolute response compelled them to retreat. No loss of life or any serious injury to our soldiers was reported during the face-off between India and Chinese troops in Arunachal Pradesh's Tawang sector, he said.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.